So, what's the biggest insurance coverage issue that you've seen lately on some of the cases that you've been working?
Honestly, it's driving me absolutely bonkers, but excluded drivers. Every single time someone is listed as an excluded driver. Now, several years ago, Texas did change the law. Insurance companies are not allowed to say someone's excluded if you let your friend borrow the car or you let your niece borrow the car, right? That's a permissible driver situation. And years and years ago, big companies like Progressive and State Farm, or even some of the smaller ones, would say, oh, they're not listed on the policy, therefore we're not going to cover the accident they were in. Now, a couple years ago, the state legislature said, hey, not cool, can't do that, right? So you're thinking that's a good thing, right? But insurance companies got smarter. And by smarter, I mean trickier. They essentially decided we're going to have what we call excluded drivers on a policy. It means a person, the policy holder, can essentially list out people within their household that reside that can be excluded from the policy. Now, what's infuriating, I don't know if you're seeing this as well, babe, but essentially these excluded drivers still have access to the vehicle and they get into accidents. And then the insurance company can turn around and be like, oh wait, we're not going to cover this wreck. This person was an excluded driver.